Here are 5 things you should absolutely not do as a dad. Here are 5 things you should absolutely not do as a dad if your wife leaves you. And one of them involves that new girlfriend. Number 1, do not stick your head in the sand. Reactive negotiations later end up the worst. Take it from me and from my experience, knowing what you want to get out of the divorce is going to help you so much. Number 2, do not wait for things to become urgent and then have to make rash decisions later. If you're waiting to be served, you only have 20 days to answer. So you need to make sure that you're ready for when those papers arrive. She can also be doing things, so you have to protect yourself early. She could take the kids and refuse to give you access. She could also have false allegations of domestic violence, and that could really throw a monkey wrench into things. Number 3, do not try to settle the whole case before knowing what your rights are. You don't know what you don't know. Sometimes divorcing dads offer more than they're required to do. And that's okay if you know what's required and you're choosing to do more. But you need to know what you're required to provide. There's also moral versus legal obligations in a divorce. Morally, you want to pay for your kids' college, but legally, you're not required to put that into the divorce agreement. Ultimately, you'll decide what you want to do, but you need to know what your rights are. Number 4, don't start living like you're divorced before you actually are. Don't stop supporting your family. You know that they need that support. Don't stop paying those bills that you know your wife and kids rely on. Don't start spending money. Your income is still marital until a court divorces you. And don't buy assets in the middle of your divorce. They could still be considered marital and you'll be stuck dividing them in court. Number 5 and last, do not get a girlfriend. You need to grieve the relationship you had with your wife. You need to do some work on yourself to avoid falling into the same patterns and making the same mistakes. You don't need another factor to complicate your case and your relationship with your kids. I'm attorney Vanessa Vasquez, founder of the Vasquez de Lara Law Group. And for more content to help you when family problems become legal problems, like, follow, and subscribe.